Alright, looks like we're good. Okay. Hi again, everyone. Just do another quick Blu-ray movie unboxing here. Yeah, it probably won't be too long. Yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing. This just arrived today. An old favorite movie from childhood from the 1970s, DUEL, with Dennis Weaver and the old brown monster truck. Oh yeah, also, this is going to be my new thread drawer. I'm going to use this, by the way, for streaming. For here, for my figures or movies, I'm going to be using this, or I'm not sure I'm going to move it for game streaming. I want to do the Streamlabs with YouTube to play games, or well, I'm still going to use Twitch, but I thought this too. Sometimes I want to use my iPad here, this and this, for game streaming too. So that's going to be our turnout. Yeah, so again, this also for game streaming, etc. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this. It's already open there, so I'll need to do something to get it open. Let's see. There we go. Wait a minute. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Okay. See there. You can see a little better there now. Yeah, a little better there now. Okay. Okay, right there. Okay, all right, this looks good. All right, that looks good. I like the artwork. Very nice Blu-ray disc from Universal. Yeah, that's who released this. Who's always on the rights to it now, I believe. Yes. That's nice. Okay, so here's the front. This is for the new, this is actually this has been out since 2015, this new Blu-ray, but thankfully Amazon still has it in stock. That's great. Especially primary videos, what's been going on with the productivity problems and stuff going on in China, Mexico, problems on the people making stuff, or it's too expensive to make this stuff, or they can't find the materials to make this stuff anymore, or, but yeah, glad it's still available, especially from Amazon, from them. Actually, want to know something? I actually had this in VHS tape, got rid of that, bought it in DVD, got rid of that, and now I bought it once again in Blu-ray. Yeah, but this is definitely going to be, I think, the last time I'm going to buy this. Yeah, definitely. Blu-ray is going to be it. Not going to double dip a third time. This is definitely going to be the last time I'm going to, I'm going to buy this. Yep, yeah, this Blu-ray is going to be it. Most definitely. Okay, now there's there. Okay, look at the back. This is the back. And this was also Steven Spielberg's very first film he directed. Brought him up there, where he is now. Yeah. Yeah, this is still a pretty big, popular classic hit with Dennis Weaver too, and him. Yeah, unbelievable sometimes, certain movies here or other countries or wherever. Yeah, amazing and interesting. Okay, looks like, oh yeah, Steven Spielberg's first film, a digitally remastered and fully restored from high-resolution 35mm original film elements. Theatrical version available for the first time in widescreen. Yeah, and the extra features, I think it's always been the same extra features on the DVD, if I recall. Yeah, conversation with Steven Spielberg on the small screen, Richard Matheson, the Ryan Duel, photograph and poster gallery, and theatrical trailer is what's included for the extra features. And again, I think this is the exact same as on the DVD that it's been previously released some years ago now. Do a quick read here. Yeah, so that's just actually fun. Always been a fun read. In Steven Spielberg's first full-life movie, Duel, a traveling salesman played by Dennis Weaver is harassed by a menacing 40-ton truck on a remote desert highway. Brilliant in its simplicity, this cult favorite takes road rage to a dangerous level as the traveler and the mysterious truck driver are pitted against one another in a motorized duel to the death. Gripping with psychological tension, this desperate battle for survival is hailed by critics as a film that belongs on the classic shelf, reserved for top suspenders. Okay, right, just a minute. I'll be right back. And I found a good place for it right here. Yep. That's where it's going to be, on the shelf. So, alright everyone, and yeah, that's it. So I'm going to end this video here, and bye, and I'll see you next time, next live stream, video, etc.